Define lethal dose. LD50 is also known as median lethal dose. It is the dose of the toxicant that causes death of the 50% animal under defined conditions like species, route of exposure, and duration of exposure. It is a commonly used measure of toxicity. Define lethal concentration. Lethal concentration is the lowest concentration of the compound in feed that causes death during the period of observation. It is expressed as milligrams of compound per kilogram of feed. What is a sensitive subpopulation? A sensitive subpopulation describes those persons who are more at risk from illness due to exposure to hazardous substances than the average healthy person. These persons usually include the very young, the chronically ill, and the very old. It may also include pregnant women and women of childbearing age. Depending on the type of contaminant, other factors could be used to describe the population. How do habitually used drugs affect the sensitivity of man to toxic doses of chemicals? The habitual use of certain psychoactive drugs and particularly excessive use of these chemicals could affect the sensitivity of man to toxic doses of drugs and other chemicals. Define the action of poisons. Poisons act usually by three ways: locally, remotely, and both locally and remotely. Locally acting, the chemicals act only at the site of application such as skin, mucosa, for example, corrosive poisons. Remotely acting, these act only after being absorbed into the circulatory system, for example, narcotic poisons, cardiac poisons, etc. Both locally and remotely acting, these act by local and remote actions, for example, carbolic acid. Describe time effect relationship of a toxicant. The relationship between dose and response is usually established when chemical or drug effect at particular dose has reached a maximum or a steady level. The chemical effects do not develop instantaneously or continue indefinitely, they change with time. There are three distinct phases and a fourth phase that may present or pronounced with some chemicals while absent with others. These include time of onset of action, time to peak effect, and duration of action. What is dose relationship? The dose response relationship or exposure response relationship describes the change in effect on an organism caused by differing levels of exposure to a stressor after a certain exposure time. These may apply to individuals or to populations. What are different types of dose response relationships? Dose response relationships is of two types. What is idiosyncratic reaction? Occasionally toxicity peculiar to an individual or which appears in a few persons but not in general population has been observed. Patient with a deficiency of glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, for example, develop hemolysis after ingesting certain drugs or foods. Drugs that are known to cause this type of idiosyncratic reactions include troglitazone, valproate, amiodarone, ketoconazole, disulfiram, and isoniazid. However, some involvement of allergic mechanism cannot be ruled out. What would Why would a newborn be more sensitive to malathion toxicity than an adult? Newborn doesn't have liver enzymes to break it down and adults do, so more toxic to malathion. Why would a newborn be less toxic to DDT and adults more toxic? In newborn, liver enzymes that activate DDT are not present, so not as toxic as in adults. What do you mean by individual susceptibility? This term describes the differences in types of responses to hazardous substances between people. Each person is unique, and because of that, There may be great differences in the response to exposure. Exposure in one person may have no effect, while a second person may become seriously ill, and a third may develop cancer. Why hemolysis is observed in certain individuals during the administration of drugs like aspirin and sulfonamides. Some individuals are deficient in the metabolic enzyme glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase. Drugs like aspirin and sulfonamides cause hemolytic anemia in these individuals. Why rabbit can survive even after eating belladonna leaves? Rabbit can survive the consumption of Atropa belladonna because they contain the enzyme atropinase which destroys atropine. Which breed of dog is more susceptible to the toxic effects of ivermectin? In coolies, ivermectin easily crosses blood-brain barrier and causes neurological symptoms. Why greyhounds are more susceptible to the toxic effects of barbiturates? Barbiturates mainly distribute to adipose tissue since greyhounds have little body fat, resulting in higher circulating concentration of barbiturates, causing toxicity. How do feed and feeding affect the results of toxicity? The composition of the feed or food can affect the results of toxicity test. For example, high fat diets can sensitize animals too, while high carbohydrate and high protein diets provide protection from the hepatotoxic effects of chloroform. How do changes in the internal environment affect toxicity? Several physiological factors such as physical activity, stress conditions, hormonal state of the animals, and degenerative changes in internal organs are known to influence the toxicity of any compound. For example, some compounds may induce increased synthesis of liver microsomal enzymes and influence the metabolism of another. Inhibition of drug or chemical agent metabolism, displacement of protein binding of a chemical, or inhibition of its renal clearance can also be accomplished by chemical agents. What are biological factors that affect toxicity? Host, individual, and environment. What are species related factors that affect toxicity? Sex, breed, excretion pathway, anatomy or physiology of the GI tract, respiratory tract, target receptor density or subtypes. What are host factors for toxicity? Things associated for age, sex, species, enzyme expression, organ function, presence of protective barriers. How do habitually used drugs affect the sensitivity of man to toxic doses of chemicals? The habitual use of certain psychoactive drugs and particularly excessive use of these chemicals could affect the sensitivity of man to toxic doses of drugs and other chemicals. Repeated oral toxicity of a compound is tested in rats for a period of 28 days. What kind of toxicity is being studied here? It is termed as subacute toxicity. Enumerate at least 4 groups of factors that can affect toxicity. Host factors, factors related to toxicant or associated with xenobiotics, environmental factors, individual or non-individual factors. Enumerate host related factors that affect toxicity. Size, age, species, breeds and strain. 6. Name 5 toxicity factors associated with the toxicant. Solubility, polarity, vehicle, formulation effects, chemical interactions. Name 8 factors associated with the environment that affect toxicity. Season, temperature, light factors, housing, constructions, heating systems, air circulation and bedding. What are the factors associated with toxicants that affect the outcome of response? Physical state and chemical properties of the toxicant, route and rates of toxicant administration, previous or coincident exposure of to other drugs or chemicals, tolerance of individuals. What are harmful or adverse effects? Harmful or adverse effects are those that are damaging to either the survival or normal function of the individual. What is toxicity? The word toxicity describes the degree to which a substance is poisonous or can cause injury. The toxicity depends on a variety of factors like dose, duration, and route of exposure, shape and structure of the chemical itself, and individual human factors. What is toxic? The term relates to poisonous or deadly effects on the body by inhalation, ingestion, or absorption, or by direct contact with a chemical. What is a toxic symptom? This term includes any feeling or sign indicating the presence of a poison or foreign substance in the system or body. What are toxic effects? This term refers to the health effects that occur due to exposure to a toxic substance, also known as a poisonous effect on the body. What is selective toxicity? Selective toxicity means that a chemical will produce injury to one kind of living matter without harming another form of life, even though the two may exist close together. What is acute toxicosis? It refers to effects during the first 24-hour period. What is subchronic toxicosis? Effects produced by repeated exposure which are actually less than 3 months. What is chronic toxicosis? Effects produced by prolonged exposure that is greater than 3 months. How does toxicity develop? Before toxicity can develop, a substance must come into contact with a body surface such as skin, eye, or mucosa of the digestive or respiratory tract. The dose of the chemical or the amount one comes into contact with is important when discussing how toxic a substance can be. What is duration of exposure for subchronic toxicity? Multiple doses more than 1 month and less than 3 months. What will be the toxicity rating of a compound having LD50 values more than 1000 mg per kg? Practically non-toxic. What will be the toxicity rating of a compound having LD50 values less than 1000 mg per kg? Mild or slightly toxic. What will be the toxicity rating of a compound having LD50 values less than 500 mg per kg? Moderately toxic. What will be the toxicity rating of a toxic compound having LD50 values less than 50 mg per kg? Highly toxic. What will be the toxicity rating of a compound having LD50 less than 1 mg per kg? Severe or extreme toxic. What is the difference between poison, toxicant, and toxin? Poison is a broader term which includes any or every substance causing harmful effects to living beings. Toxicant is any toxic substance introduced into the environment. Toxins, a poison of plant or animal origin, especially one produced by or derived from microorganisms. This could be of plant, fungal, animal, or bacterial origin. How toxicosis differ from toxicity? Toxicosis is the disease or condition which results due to exposure to a poison, whereas toxicity is the degree of the disease or condition. However, the term toxicity is also used to mean the adverse effects of a poison. How you will categorize toxicity occurring due to repeated exposures? Within 24 hours, acute toxicity; within 30 days or less, subacute toxicity; within 1 to 3 months, subchronic toxicity; or greater than 3 months is chronic toxicity. What do you mean by moderately toxic? 501 mg per kg to 5 gram per kg. What do you mean by slightly toxic? 5.1 gram per kg to 15 gram per kg. What do you mean by practically non-toxic? More than 15 gram per kg. These are dosage of toxicants which uh, can be given accidentally or intentionally. What is duration of exposure for acute toxicosis or toxicity? Less than 24 hours, single or multiple doses. What do you mean by super toxic? Dose would be less than 5 milligram per kg. What do you mean by extremely toxic? 5.50 milligram per kg. What do you mean by very toxic? 51 to 500 milligram per kg.